Hello everyone, welcome back to TurboType. We hope that you like our videos. Thanks for the support so far and keep supporting us. So today our topic is why should you learn typing? What do you think? Is it really necessary to learn typing? Come on, let us know. Go to the comment section and express your thoughts. We are going to tell you all why should you learn typing. In today's competitive world, as you know, it is not so easy to get a job. You need lot of dedication, hard work, efforts and skill. Some also add luck to this list. Let us forget about luck for a while. Coming to skill, here skill may be any kind of skill. It may be administrative skill, leadership skill, managing skill, analytical skill, typing, writing, painting, teaching and many. One should possess any skill to either get a job or to survive in life or business. Well, let us consider job for some time. Every job requires a specific skill. For example, an IAS officer requires great administrative skill. At the same time, a typist or clerk or data entry operator DEO requires typing skill. Like I said before, one should possess a skill. If he or she doesn't possess one, then they have to practice on any skill which they are interested in. I think now you have got the answer. Why should you learn typing? So start practicing any skill whichever you are interested in. And if at all you are interested in typing, please subscribe to our channel TurboType. Because here we post lot of information related to typing. Do check our other videos too. Like the video if you find it informative. Also share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.